Why does your scanner show the P0806 engine code? What does it mean? P0806 is a diagnostic trouble code for clutch position sensor A, circuit range, or performance. This engine code indicates that the vehicle's computer has detected a problem with the clutch position sensor or its electrical circuit, which is critical for proper transmission operation in manual or automated manual transmission vehicles. Under this circumstance, stop driving and repair your vehicle immediately. So, what causes this imbalance? Here are the most common culprits. This error can be caused by these possible faults in your vehicle. Faulty clutch position sensor, wiring or circuit issues, PCM failure, improper sensor adjustment. Each DTC code corresponds to a specific issue in your vehicle. This error code occurs in any OBD2-equipped vehicles, especially those in manufacture since 1996. It is commonly found in Mercedes-Benz and Ford Focus models. If you want to fix this error code, let us know in the comments section. We will definitely make the video on your demand. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.